Every year, billions are spent on medical diagnostics, yet clinicians still spend nearly 40% of their time documenting results instead of delivering care. That's time lost, and patients waiting. But what if AI could change that? Welcome to Code Brew Labs, where we help healthcare innovators build smart AI-powered healthcare solutions that speed up analysis, reduce burnout, and improve patient outcomes. If you'd like to see what real AI in healthcare looks like, just check out our latest video and explore our different AI-powered, HIPAA-compliant healthcare platforms we've built and delivered successfully. In this video, we'll explore how an AI diagnostic app is transforming the entire diagnostic workflow. In most hospitals, adopting new software means months of painful integrations. But with embedded AI, it's seamless. The app can overlay directly onto your existing EHR system through a simple, secure extension. No migration, no disruption. And doctors can start using it almost instantly, right inside their familiar workspace. Next comes the automation. Instead of manually writing every diagnostic note, the AI can generate over 80% of the content automatically. Moreover, it processes radiology scans, lab data, or reports and drafts structured findings in seconds, cutting documentation time by over 70 to 75%. That means doctors spend less time typing and more time talking to patients. You know what happens when clinicians finally get that time back? They feel less exhausted and far more fulfilled. Because instead of fighting admin work, they're focused on what matters: human connection and clinical judgment. Hospitals and healthcare brands adopting AI diagnostic apps have reported higher staff satisfaction and retention, proving that the best tech doesn't replace people, it empowers them. And that's not all. AI doesn't just make things faster, it makes them smarter. Every diagnostic session generates personalized insights that help refine treatment plans and training. Over time, the system learns, supporting each doctor with session-specific intelligence that improves care delivery and accuracy. Clinics using such AI frameworks have seen 2 times higher patient engagement, 3 to 4 times faster improvement in diagnostic accuracy, and fewer human errors overall. Auditing diagnostic reports is often tedious and time-consuming. Most audit teams manually review a handful of records, leaving plenty unseen. Having an AI-powered diagnostic app completely changes that. It uses AI-powered compliance scanning to automatically detect irregularities, missing data, or formatting issues, flagging only the ones that need review. The result? Smarter audits, targeted training, and significantly reduced compliance risk. The AI diagnostic platform isn't built for just one department. It works across radiology, pathology, telehealth, home care, and group diagnostics. On top of that, it can even analyze multiple sessions simultaneously, creating individualized reports for each case in real time. From large hospitals to home health agencies, it adapts to every setting. That's the power of having an AI diagnostic app. It can be the tool that blends seamlessly into your workflow, automates documentation, reduces burnout, ensures compliance, and elevates care across every level. At Code Brew Labs, we're helping healthcare organizations turn that vision into reality. HIPAA-compliant systems, explainable AI models, and deployment-ready solutions designed for trust, accuracy, and scalability. If you're ready to build your own AI diagnostic app, let's talk.